Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Preppy Kitchen tiramisu. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready, including quality mascarpone cheese, fresh eggs, and strong espresso. Next, brew your espresso and let it cool completely, as this will be the base for dipping our Ladyfingers. Finally, carefully separate your egg yolks from the whites, preparing them for the rich, creamy filling. Now, let's assemble this delightful dessert. Quickly dip each Ladyfinger into the cooled espresso mixture, ensuring they are saturated but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these dipped Ladyfingers at the bottom of your dish. Then, spread a generous, even layer of your prepared mascarpone cream over the Ladyfingers. Repeat these layers until your dish is full, always finishing with a smooth cream top. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. While we wait for our tiramisu to chill, here's a quick recommendation. If you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Patience is key for perfect tiramisu. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set properly. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. Slice and serve your chilled tiramisu to enjoy its rich, decadent taste.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.